What's up guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Cool VPN Pro on your Android phone. So go ahead and open up your Play Store, then you want to go to search and you simply want to type in Cool VPN, right? Once you type that in, you can go ahead and hit search and you will find the Cool VPN Pro right there. Just go ahead and install that. And this is a very short application. You can quickly install it and run that on your phone. And as you can see, it is done. I'm going to go ahead and open up the application right here. Go ahead and click allow. And as you can see right here, you need to accept the terms. And you will see that it's going to quickly load up right there. And from here, you can go ahead and you can start a free trial. This is an ad, by the way. You can click that off. And as you can see, currently it is disconnected. So you just need to tap it. Go ahead and click and continue. And these are just basically showing you how to actually use the app. So all you have to do really is just simple go ahead and click and connect. You will see that you need to click on OK, and it's going to quickly connect. And as you can see right there, I am now connected. Cool VPN Pro. And you can go ahead and start browse. If you look to the upper right hand side of my phone, you can see that the Cool VPN is connected. As you can see, it says Cool VPN Pro once I swipe down there. And that's how you can easily use Cool VPN Pro, guys, on your phone. Very easy and very simple.